Right now at 5, the surge is not stopping. Wisconsin reporting a record 2,887 new cases of COVID-19 today. Total cases now topping 125,000.
21 new deaths have been reported. It is high, but it's short of the record 27 we set just yesterday. The latest cases put the number of active cases in the state to another record, 22,126. There are currently 669 COVID-19 patients in the hospital. 198 of them are in the ICU.
As the human toll of the pandemic grows in Wisconsin, the economic toll getting worse.
This could be the worst day for layoffs in the history of aviation. Tens of thousands of jobs are expected to be eliminated. Rebecca Clough explains how this is affecting Milwaukee and the state.
A sad day in the airline industry. Thousands of people laid off. In Milwaukee alone, hundreds of people out of a job, from maintenance workers to flight attendants.
Tens and tens of thousands today lost their jobs. Families are devastated.
The head of the Association of Flight Attendants for United Airlines says across the country, 13,000 of their members are facing some sort of furlough or layoff.
We also have, 356 of our flight attendants that live in Wisconsin that work here as flight attendants, 40 right in Milwaukee.
The airlines blame the layoffs on the end of the CARES Act, the stimulus passed in response to the COVID-19 pandemic. It ran out on midnight, October 1st. With no extension plan approved by Congress, the union says the airlines had no choice. And it's not just flight attendants. There are layoffs happening across the board.
It's ground crew, it's maintenance, it's pilots, and basically anybody who works for the airline. Hundreds, because there are hundreds of people who work at the airport, and you're talking about a sizable amount.
Like airports across the country, Milwaukee's Mitchell International Airport has seen a massive drop in passenger numbers since the start of the pandemic. Last year in August, there were more than 600,000 passengers going in and out of the airport. This year, not even 200,000 people traveled in August. That's a 69% drop. Mark Cass from the Milwaukee Business Journal expects these layoffs might be the start of problems.
You should also look around the airport, because as you have layoffs at the airport, it's going to hurt the restaurants, it's going to hurt the hotel. As traffic has dropped, all the people around the airport have been dramatically impacted too.
The airlines have said if a new stimulus passes, they're willing to hire people back immediately. But it doesn't look like they're anywhere close to a deal. Reporting in Milwaukee, Rebecca Clough, TMJ4 News.